didn't hurt you.
How about he ate your camera? That's all of it. And how about he ate Chippy? He actually... Come on, Molly!
Okay.
Did he bite you? No.
He just thinks it's food. Yes, sweetie, what?
No, come. Come on, Molly! Touch him! Touch him! He just did it.
He's got my jacket and he thinks it's food. He thinks my jacket is food.
Hey there, boy. Nice to meet you. Oh, that's funny. Very nice to meet you, Jack.
Oh my god, he won't let go of my jacket.
Hey there.
That's scary.
Oh, it's okay. What happened? Did I hurt you? Hey, Jack. He thinks you're holding food. Look, put up. See? Oh! You're a funny boy, aren't you, huh? You're a funny boy.